toys and send them to the kindergarten. Install a pair of wings and your car will be able to fly.
Hello, baby bud.
Hello, please get on the bus. Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go!
Time to equip the magical item.
This is the supermarket. The teacher said you need to buy some things and take them to the kindergarten.
Let's buy some new stationery and a school. Welcome. Choose a shopping cart. Next, let's go buy what we need together. School bag. Scissors. Crayon. Pillow. This is not what I want. Quilt. Pillow. Put the items here. Put the money into the coin slot. I bought everything I need. Thank you. I bought everything I need. Let's get on the bus. Hello, baby bus. Hello. Please get on the bus. Where should I stop?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the photo studio. Let's go!
Slide the red button to lift the barrier.
This is the photo studio. The teacher said you need to take a photo and take it to the kindergarten.
Let's go take a photo.
Welcome.
Could you take a picture of me, please?
Okay, what kind of photos do you want? Photo for kindergarten? All right, let's go change clothes first.
Tap the screen to focus and adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
What a nice picture.
Thanks. Tap the screen to focus and adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
That's a nice shot.
Thanks. I've taken the photo. Let's go. Hello, baby bus. Hello. Please get on the bus. Please choose a seat.
Fasten your seatbelt. I've picked up all the kids! The next stop is the hospital. Let's go! I'm running low on gas.
Please insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
Fishtail and go swimming.
This is the hospital. Have a physical checkup before going to kindergarten.
Let's go get a physical checkup.
Check the eyesight. Bag the magnifying glass and find the patterns. Yes, you found the pattern. Yes, you found the pattern. You found all of them. You've got very good eyesight. Check the weight and height. Lulu weighs 21 kilograms. Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it. Stamp on the numbers.
Lulu's height, 98 centimeters.
Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it. Stamp on the numbers. Check the listening. Listen to the sound and guess the animal. Lamb. Duck. Frog. Check the heart rate. Place them based on their colors. Yes, that's the right place. Tap the button to match the color. Yes, that's it. The check is finished. Your heart rate is normal.
The physical checkup is done. Let's go to kindergarten.
This is kindergarten!
This is the classroom. We'll have lessons in here. Let's introduce ourselves. I'm your teacher, Miss Maymay.
Now,
Let's decorate our classroom.
hang your favorite picture on the wall. Put the correct ID photo according to the shadow on the frame.
Wow, nice pictures. The classroom looks beautiful. Snack time. Let's snack together. It's time.
None of you are picky eaters. You are...
Everyone has done a great job today. Now let's give a little red flower to the best behaved kid.
Which kid would you like to give the red flower to? Which kid would you like to give the red flower to?
School is out. Get on the baby bus and go home now.
Take care on your way home, everyone. Goodbye.
Miss Maymay, goodbye.
Baby bus, go! Send the kids home safely one by one.
Bye, baby bus.
Bye, kids. I'll pick you up tomorrow.